Alright, so we're going to do what's called the split stitch, and I have my plastic needle with some yarn. It's all oversized so you can really kind of see what's going on. Because my needle's so big, I'm using some burlap so it can go through it, the fabric. And we're going to start with just taking a straight stitch, and I'm going to put it through there. Alright, that's just sort of a normal straight stitch. Alright, and now we're going to come up, take another stitch, and then we're going to come back through our initial stitch and split it. And then we're going to come back up, same stitch length away, and we're going to come back through this one and split it. And we're going to keep going all the way up, come up through, right at the, we're coming through right at the end here where it comes up, just this side of it, and pull through and back down, and we'll keep working on that. And I'm going to show you what the back side looks like. You can see it's just kind of coming up and through, and that is the split stitch.